All right, my name is Mr. Butler. Today we're going to be going over some pretty basic algebra because it's stuff we're going to use through the next unit. So in the next couple videos we're going to be doing one-step variable equations, two-step variable equations, multi-step variable equations, and then variable equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. Okay. So for your first one-step variable equations, okay, so when you look at this equation, it might be pretty easy, but what we're going to do is we're going to go through a couple things that'll set us up for the future. So the first thing is, before you start any equation like this, draw your line right down the middle. Okay? What we have right here is our equal sign. Okay? The equal sign means that everything on this side, okay, everything on this side, on one side of the equal sign, is exactly the same as everything on the other side. Okay? So this x plus 33 is the same as 180. That's why we can manipulate. Okay? What we also have to know about the equal sign is if we do something on one side of the equal sign, on one side of our line, we have to do the exact same thing on the other side of our equal sign. Okay? And we'll move from there. Now, what we are trying to do in every single equation we do, in the one-step, two-step, multi-step, variables on both sides, is we are trying to get it so that this x, so that our variable is alone. Okay, so there's nothing near it. All right. So for this first equation, what we do is we have to get rid of this 33. Okay, because we want this x alone. All right, we got to get rid of this 33. Okay. So in order to get rid of the 33, we have to subtract it out. So we have x plus 33. We have to subtract the 33 away. Okay. To get rid of something, you have to make it 0. So if we have positive 33 minus 33, we end up with 0. Now, because this is an equation, okay, and we have our equal sign, whatever we do on one side of the equation, we must also do on the other. So on this side of the equation, we said minus 33. So we are going to say minus 33 on this side of the equation. 180 minus 33 is 147. Okay, 180 minus 33. And what you will notice is when I do my math, I cross things out, okay, because it makes our life easier, right? Once I've crossed these things out, 180 crossed out, minus 33 crossed out, 147. Okay, now we look at what we have left. We still have our x left up here, so we're going to bring that guy down. We have a 0 left, but 0 we just scribble out. Okay, we still have our nice equal sign left, so we're going to bring that guy down. Okay. And then down here we have our 147. Okay? And we're finished with that equation. Okay? I'm going to do one real quick, another one. All right? This time with a minus sign instead. So here we have x minus 25 equals 90. Okay? Okay? First thing we do, as always, draw our line. We want to get our x alone, so we have minus 25. We're going to say plus 25. Negative 25 plus 25 equals 0. Right? Whatever we do on one side of the equation, we also do on the other side of the equation. So we said plus 25 on that side, plus 25 on this side. Okay? Which equals 115. 90 plus 25 equals 115. Now we still have left our x. Okay? Still have left our equal sign. And still have left our 115. Okay? So that is your one-step variable. That's how you solve.